Hi beautiful viewers, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show us this quick head wrap, this quick Turban head wrap. So let's get started. Just fold your scarf and bring it to the front part and give it a nice twist. Twist. Then afterwards just give it another nice fold, and that's it. A nice fold in a form of donuts or a round shape. Let me say round shape then. So just give it that round shape and tuck it in. Just tuck it in. And that's it. Quick, right? Quick and easy. So what do you think of this turban head wrap? Hope you'll be trying this. Let me know in the comment section what you feel about this video, and I'll see you all in my next fashion video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to share with your loved ones, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, Dina's lovers, returning subscribers, new subscribers. Thanks for always staying tuned to this channel, and I appreciate you all.